All right, so we're doing the first solo in Sweet Child of Mine. We're going to go up to the 14th fret on the G there, and we're going to go with our third finger, 14, 12, 11, 14, 12, 11, and then we're going to go 14, 12, down to 14 on the D, and again 14, 12, 14, there we go, and then we're going to go like this, look, 14, 12, and then bend up with our third finger, 14, bend up, bend back down, back to the 12, bend again, and then with our little finger, look, on 15, and then bend up 15. Finish on 11 there on the G. Okay, so let me play that to you again, look. We got 15, sorry, let's start again. We're gonna go 14, 12, 11, 14, 12, 11, 14, 12, 14 on the D, 14, 12, 14 on the D, and then we're going to go 14, 12, bend up, bend back down, 12, bend again, little finger there on the 15, switch to your third finger with your nice strong bend there, two fingers behind, bend up, bend down, and finish on 11. Okay, hopefully that helps. Cheers.